Rotating or flipping an image. Rotating and flipping images are also possible in the Paint program. Follow the given steps to rotate or flip an image. 1. Select the image which is to be rotated. 2. Click the Rotate button in the image group. A list of options appears as given below. Rotation and flip option. Description: original image, image after rotation and flip. Rotate right 90 degrees. This option rotates the selected image by 90 degrees right. Rotate left 90 degrees. This option rotates the selected image by 90 degrees left. Rotate 180 degrees. This option rotates the selected image by 180 degrees left. Flip vertical. This option flips the selected image vertically. Flip horizontal. This option flips the selected image horizontally. 3. Click on any of the above listed options to apply the rotation or flipping. Summary: the Paint provides two types of selections, rectangular and freeform. The copy and paste options are used to create a duplicate copy of the selection. The cut and paste options are used to move the selection. Chapter 7. About Keyboard. Learning objectives. After completing the chapter, students will be able to learn about the keyboard, identify various keys on the keyboard, learn about the functions of keys. Students, you have learnt about the keyboard in the previous chapters. A keyboard is an input device. It is used to input the data, that is, enter instruction into the computer. A keyboard has many keys on it as shown in the given image. Let us know the function of different keyboard keys. Info bits. Most keyboards are called QWERTY keyboards. This name comes from the first 6 letters on the top row of the alphabet keys. Alphabet keys. The alphabet keys are used for typing letters, words and sentences. They are marked with letters A to Z. They are 26 in number. Number keys. The number keys are placed at the top of the alphabet keys. They are used to type numbers. They are marked with 0 to 9. The number keys are also present at the right side of the keyboard. This set of keys is called numeric keypad. Numeric keypad. Numeric keypad has a numlock key. The numlock key is pressed to enable the keypad. Special keys. Apart from the alphabet keys and number keys, there are some other keys on the keyboard called special keys. Let us know about some special keys. Space bar key. The space bar key is the longest key on the keyboard. You can give space between 2 letters, words and numbers by pressing the space bar key. For example, before, after each word, press space bar key. After, top tip. Space bar is the only blank key on the keyboard. It means nothing is written on it. Info bits. The vertical blinking line on the monitor screen is called cursor. Tab key. The tab key allows the cursor to jump to the next tabbed stop. It is located above the caps lock key. For example, before, after each word, press tab key. After, backspace key. The backspace key is used to erase characters one by one to the left of the cursor. For example, before, after each word, press backspace key. After, info bits. On your computer, open WordPad and type all helpline numbers in India along with the name of the service each number belongs to. Delete key. The delete key is used to erase the characters one by one to the right of the cursor. For example, before, after each word, press Delete key. After, Enter key. The Enter key is used to move the cursor to the next new line. A keyboard usually has 2 Enter keys. For example, before, after each word, press Enter key. After, Symbol keys. Symbol keys are used to type symbols like on the keyboard. Some symbols are present on number keys and some are present separately. Caps Lock key. The caps lock key is used to type letters in capital letters or uppercase. To activate caps lock key, press it once, and to deactivate, press it again. For example, before pressing caps lock key, after pressing caps lock key. When you press caps lock key, its light turns on, which indicates that caps lock key is on. Escape key. The ESC key is also known as escape key. It allows you to cancel or abort operations. Shift key. The shift key is used along with other keys. A keyboard usually has 2 shift keys. Shift key is used for the following. 1. To type the symbols which are present at the top of number keys or other keys. For example, to type asterisk, press Shift key along with the number key 8. 2. To type letters in uppercase without turning on caps lock key. For example, to type alphabet C in uppercase, press Shift key along with alphabet key H. Windows key. The Windows key is pressed to open the Start menu. Navigation keys. A keyboard has various navigation keys as listed below. Arrow keys. There are 4 arrow keys: left, right, up and down. They help us to move the cursor on the monitor screen. Home key. The home key is pressed to move the cursor to the beginning of the line. End key. The end key is pressed to move the cursor to the end of the line. Page up key. The page up key moves the cursor or page up by one screen. Page down key. The page down key moves the cursor or page down by one screen. Function keys. These keys are labeled from F1 to F12. They are 12 in number and present above the number keys. Each key has a different role to play according to the program. Control key. The control key is used with some other keys to perform some specific tasks. A keyboard has 2 control keys. For example, Control plus Home keys move the cursor to the beginning of a document. Control plus End keys move the cursor to the end of a document. Alt key. The Alt key is used in conjunction with some other keys to perform some specific tasks. A keyboard has 2 Alt keys. For example, Alt plus F4 keys close the current window of the program. Summary. A keyboard is used to input the data into the computer. The alphabet keys are used for typing letters, words and sentences. Number keys are used for typing numbers. The backspace key and delete key are used to erase the characters. The spacebar key and tab key are used to give spaces. A keyboard usually has 2 shift keys, enter keys, control keys and alt keys. Caps lock key is used to type in uppercase. The navigation keys help you to move the cursor on the monitor